In 2015, when I arrived in Foshan, I found really a great city. In terms of development, generally speaking, from the quality of the transportation, the quality of the food, the restaurant, the environment, everything is related to the lifestyle. It was really nice.
Today we are going to talk with Marco from Italy, General Manager of Foshan Asia in Foshan. Let's see how he thinks of the business environment here. How many production lines here?
Now we can produce 5 different configuration of machines. We have here locally Gaomin and then Dongguan, and in south of China.
Foshan started with a project led by Italy and a certified Chinese team. What difficulties do you encounter and how did you get through it?
We spent some months in order to understand how you have to handle the business in China, starting from the approach with the people. So the management approach in Europe is quite different, and the best situation, the best solution is to combine the needs of our business and the approach of Chinese way and Italian way. The message is clear that we are able to find the correct person in China. It's just the way it's just a method to localize. The localization is important, and this was my target in the beginning, because this was the request of the company. So the only disadvantage, especially 4 or 5 years ago, was that it was not too easy to find a qualified supplier in order to match with the quality standard that we need. But mainly why we didn't have at that time maybe the correct approach in sharing the information and match and balance the sharing of the information with the protection of the intelligence, of the patent and so on. Now the situation from that side is really much better.
Can you find some talents in Foshan who is qualified to do the technology work here?
If you are, for example, we are talking about software engineer, is not easy.
Not easy.
Not easy. Software engineer, really, we always need to look outside, Shenzhen or Shanghai. Exactly. And mainly, I believe that is because the main business of Guangdong area. So honestly, Guangdong is famous for the furniture, for the mechanical equipment, automotive, and a little bit less for the internet technology or software technology. So maybe it's for this one. The only point that the difficulties that we had, especially in Foshan, looking for local people, to find persons that are able to talk in English. Today is a little bit more easy, maybe because the development also in the school go in the direction to follow the development of the country.
How would you comment on Foshan's business environment?
Talking about Foshan, more and more you can find only qualified company in manufacturing. So you know in Foshan there are also a lot of big name in the automotive market, and this means that if they are present is because they can find the good quality of technology and services, and this is the same for us.